How to clean cache on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clean cache on Android phone. First, then open settings, and now just scroll down until you find here storage, and here you will find cleanup, and now click on it. And then just wait. And here you will find the junk files or cache. Just click on it, and here you will find this one, cache, and then just click delete, and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to clean cache on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.